Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to another market forecast. Um, let's do a little bit of a recap of what happened yesterday. So yesterday on DXY I was bullish and actually was a very good trading day. And of course on Euro USD I was bearish. As you guys can see here, we had a nice move down, okay, on yesterday's trading session. Actually, we achieved this south side liquidity level here we were looking for on the Euro USD daily time frame. And so yeah, so let me give you guys a little bit of context. Let's go to the DXY and let's go to today's market forecast. So basically, on DXY, of course, we broke through this buy side liquidity level, and we're going very bullish towards those other liquidity levels. All right, but to be honest, I believe that we're gonna see a red day on DXY. We have those two fair value gaps right here, and actually I strongly believe that we will try to reach one of those. And of course, if this one is reached, it means that the first one will be reached too. So right here we have this order block right here and the fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame on DXY. So market is already moving towards that. So I strongly believe that on DXY we will reach this fair value gap in order block, and after that we will continue and move up on DXY. But for today, I believe that's gonna happen. All right, on DXY, which means that on Euro USD will probably be bullish for today. All right, as you guys can see here, let me just stretch this a little less. All right, as you guys can see, I have some fair value gaps mapped out right here. On the daily time frame, we have this fair value gap here, all right, which is very small. And let me just to just to make this statement, I'm gonna use the paths, all right, as possibilities as I have already been using them. But the colors will represent what I think will be most likely to happen on the day. All right, being blue, the most likely what I think will happen, and red, what I don't think is very likely to happen. All right. So basically, this will be red, this will be green, and this will be blue. So, uh, as you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame on Euro USD, we have two fair value gaps right on the spot, right? And the market is actually already into the first fair value gap, which means that on DXY, we see that this fair value gap here was not reached yet. So since DXY has some room to go down, it means that Euro USD may have some room to go up, all right? And this means, and going up on Euro USD means that it's not going to stop on this fair value gap. This retracement, this pullback, it will probably not stop here. That's why this is um, not the possibility for today, I believe the most, all right, because we have the DXY um, without agreement with this fair value gap, all right. So if we were to translate DXY's fair value gap to Euro USD, any fair value gap we could see, I would say that this fair value gap here, all right, is equivalent to this fair value gap right here on the 4-hour time frame. So I don't believe we're going to stop on this fair value gap. I believe we're going to trade up into this fair value gap right here. Okay. So it means that on Euro USD for today, my bias will be bullish. All right. So regarding my trading plan, that's it. I don't think it will be a good trading day, to be honest. We have also some news. Let me just go through the news before giving me my final decision of the day. So as you guys can see, we have all the German CPI, Spanish, but anyway, Span doesn't matter that much in Forex. Um, and on 8:30 a.m. New York time, we have final GPD on USD, unemployment claims, and final GPD price index. And this last one is not as impactful as the other two. So we have some news for the day, which we'll have to be careful. But to be very honest with you guys, I'm only gonna enter bullish today if I see a very, very clear setup on the day. All right, because when the day is like this, when the major trend is bearish, on my trading plan, on my trading system, I prefer to wait for the price to reach, to decide which level it's going to reach before going down. All right. I know it will probably go up today, but I don't know how high it will go. All right. So I prefer to see a very good confirmation that the price will actually go up. All right. So if I were to take any trade today, my trading plan for trades, of course, they will all be bullish for today unless we reach this parallel gap today, and I don't really think it's gonna happen. All right. I believe my trading plan for today will be I will see this parallel gap, how price reacts to it, and it's already now having a good reaction to it. But I'm only going to trade bullish, and after I see a confirmation that this prevailing gap will not be respected as a reversal zone. All right, so it means that this possibility is not going to happen for me to trade bullish for the day because we have those two prevailing gaps right here. I don't believe this prevailing gap will be reached. I, but of course, it's a possibility, and I strongly believe that we'll start moving towards this prevailing gap on the 4-hour time frame. So within this range, if I see a setup, um, I will enter. All right. And to be honest, I think I don't feel like trading today that much. I haven't slept well, so I'm gonna be very, very, very. I'm gonna pay a lot of attention in today's trading, in my trading day, so that any very good opportunity I enter and anything below that, I'm not gonna even consider, even with lower position size. So, so yeah. So the hammer has been slammed. The bias for my day will be bearish, right? Because of the XY, since I believe it will reach this fairly gap, and also, sorry, I'm human too. This order block, and I won't buy, I won't sell on Euro USD until this fairly gap is reached, right? And if I see a buying opportunity on USD, Euro USD will have what? Okay, this one. That's the right one. Wait, what? Wait. Okay, that's the right one. Um, if I do any trades today, if I take any trades today, will be within this range. Okay, and I want to see this high being taken out before looking for any bullish movement. Right? I want to see price taking out this high. Right? Okay. And then if price takes out this high, it will probably go do a move down right now, and after that, price will decide if it will go down or if it will go up. Okay. Basically, if price respects this reveal gap, maybe I may consider selling. All right, but I don't really think it will happen. But my bias for today may change because of this condition. So we have three possibilities here. The blue one is what I think is the most likely to happen for the day. and the green and the red are I think are the least possible that would happen today. All right, but if the green happens, it means that my bias for the day will change from bullish to bearish. All right, so keep an eye on that. I want to see how that behaves, and I would like to see a low taken out. All right, and it would have to be this low for me to decide to start selling. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have a lot of room if this possibility, that green possibility happens, which I don't really think it will happen. But anyways, we gotta be prepared for anything the market delivers to us. Okay, so yeah, we have this thing low here. I want to see this swing low being taken out so I can start to maybe look for bearishness in the market depending on how the market is behaving and how it is absorbing those news events that we have scheduled for today. Right? So for the market forecast, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like the button right below. If you like the channel's content, please consider subscribing to it. And that's it. Have a good trading day and be careful with the news. All right? Bye bye.